All right. Want to say thank you to Casey's Western Store and Superior Floor Coatings for bringing in the Silver Spurs drill team, consisting of 10 horses and riders, and this is 6th year of working together as a team. We'd like to thank Ray Raber and the Horseman's Mission for giving us the opportunity to come and perform at this event. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Silver Spurs drill team. Ladies and gentlemen, how about it once again? Arlene on Billboard, Joanne on Dixie, Linda on Dana, Giovanna on Kia, Elaine on Arrow, Mary on Amber, Ruby on Jim, and Cheryl on Apache. These are the Silver Spurs drill team.